The biggest workout mistakes men over 30 make. Most men over 30 train regularly, but fat loss becomes harder. Strength gains slow down. Pain appears more often. Effort is not the main issue. Strategy becomes the problem. The body changes after 30. Training must adapt. This video explains the biggest mistakes. Why training changes after 30. Muscle loss accelerates with age. Less muscle lowers metabolism. Recovery becomes slower. Joints tolerate less stress. Sleep quality often declines. Hormonal balance shifts. Old training methods stop working. Intensity matters less than strategy. Training must be smarter, not harder. Progress is still possible, but the approach must change. Mistake number 1. Relying only on cardio. Cardio burns calories during exercise, but it does not preserve muscle. Muscle preservation is crucial after 30. Losing muscle slows metabolism. Fat loss becomes harder over time. Many men increase cardio volume. Longer sessions create fatigue. Results slow even with more effort. The body adapts and becomes efficient. Calorie burn decreases relative to effort. This leads to frustration and plateaus. Cardio is not the problem. Using cardio as the main strategy is. Strength training preserves muscle. Muscle supports a higher resting metabolism. Cardio should support training, not replace it. Strength should be the foundation. Cardio is a tool, not a solution. Why this goes unnoticed. Effort stays high. Sweat increases and heart rate rises. Progress still slows over time. The body adapts quietly. Awareness allows better adjustment. Mistake number 2. Ignoring joint health. Joint pain ends consistency. Joints recover slower after 30. Warm-ups are skipped too often. Mobility is overlooked. Stability training is ignored. Knees, shoulders, hips, and back are common pain areas. Compensation begins during movement. Movement quality decreases. Pain increases and training frequency drops. Progress stops when consistency ends. Joint health determines training longevity. Warm-ups protect joints. Controlled movement reduces stress. Mobility supports range of motion. Stability supports strength. Joint health supports long-term results. Consistency improves when joints stay healthy. Results follow consistency. Why joint issues increase. Connective tissue becomes less elastic. Blood flow to joints declines. Recovery time increases. Ignoring these changes increases risk. Adjusting training reduces injury. Mistake number 3. Skipping recovery. Recovery is part of training. Training creates stress. Recovery allows adaptation. Without recovery, stress accumulates. Stress hormones rise. Fat loss slows. Sleep quality drops. Soreness becomes constant. Fatigue increases. Motivation declines. More training makes it worse. Recovery restores balance. Rest supports muscle repair. Light activity helps recovery. Sleep matters more than most realize. Recovery improves performance. Better recovery produces better results. More training is not always better. Why recovery matters more. The margin for error narrows with age. Small recovery deficits add up. Fatigue accumulates faster. Recovery restores capacity. Addressing recovery restores progress. Mistake number 4. Poor form and ego lifting. Using excessive weight with poor form increases injury risk and reduces muscle engagement. Poor mechanics reduce muscle activation. Stress shifts to connective tissue. Injury risk increases. Progress slows due to setbacks. Controlled movement improves results and reduces setbacks. Slower tempo reduces momentum. Lighter loads often produce better results. Quality beats quantity. Consistency improves when injuries are avoided. Progress is measured over months. Mechanics matter more than numbers. Training becomes sustainable. Long-term results are the goal. Proper form protects joints. Proper form supports longevity. Movement quality matters. Training should support life, not compete with it. Longevity beats short-term ego. Mistake number 5, random training. Unstructured training leads to inconsistent progress. Frequent program changes create confusion. Tracking becomes difficult. Adaptation requires repetition. Men over 30 benefit most from simple, repeatable programs that allow progression and recovery. Fewer exercises performed consistently work best. Structure reduces decision fatigue and improves adherence. Structure manages volume and intensity. Consistency becomes easier. Progress becomes measurable. Predictability allows adjustments. Fatigue is controlled. Recovery improves. Training becomes sustainable. Results become steady. Confidence improves. Structure supports long-term progress. What works after 30? Strength training preserves muscle. Joint care preserves movement. Recovery preserves progress. Controlled movement reduces risk. Structure supports consistency. Strategy beats intensity. Better strategy produces better outcomes. Less strain, more results. Long-term focus wins. Training supports life. It doesn't compete with it. Fitness changes after 30. Training strategy must change too. Consistency creates results. Follow for more fitness after 30.